हेलो देयर, दिस इज प्रियंका फ्रॉम स्पाइडर सॉफ्टवेयर। आज हम आपके सामने एक नया सेगमेंट लेके आए हैं, ट्रेड टॉक, जिसमें हम आपके सामने एक ऐसी ट्रेडर और मेंटर से बातचीत करेंगे जिनके एक्सपीरियंस और ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज से आपको उन्हीं की ज़बानी काफ़ी जानकारी मिलेगी। सो स्टे हुक्ड एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन। And we'll be more than happy to hear from you in the comment section. इनसे इनके नज़रिए से मार्केट को देखेंगे तो आप जान जाएंगे कि मार्केट तो मार्केट होता है, बेरिश हो या बुलिश, हर कोई कमा सकता है। जैसे हर्षद मेहता स्कैम सीरीज में बताया गया था कि शेयर मार्केट एक इतना गहरा कुआं है जो पूरे देश के पैसे की प्यास बुझा सकता है। चलिए मिलते हैं आज के हमारे गेस्ट से, मिस्टर नारायण। ये 30 साल से मार्केट में है। इनकी सक्सेसफुल ट्रेडिंग जर्नी के बारे में अब हम जानेंगे। हेलो मिस्टर नारायण।
Hello, Priyanka. Good
मिस्टर
morning.
नारायण, यस, गुड
Good
मॉर्निंग, गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग। टेल मी सर, हाउ आर यू डूइंग
Hi.
सर?
Yeah, I am fine. And thanks for making this attempt of this program. And let's hope that this becomes a big success, especially a lot of learning for the viewers. Okay. So on
ओके
a
सर,
Saturday, beautiful Saturday morning, let's start with my journey.
यस,
And Priyanka, as you rightly said, yes, I've spent
यस,
almost 3 decades in markets. But थोड़ा सा इसको मैं करेक्ट करना
राइट,
चाहूंगा कि मेरी एंट्री जो थी, मैं 1991 में जस्ट बिफोर द हर्षद मेहता स्कैम, काफी छोटा था, तो बहुत ही एक इच्छा थी, एक जिज्ञासा थी मार्केट के बारे में. सो इट वाज माय मदर हु पुश मी एक्चुअली टू stock markets because she felt probably that was one of the best lines to be in terms of trading. So that's how my
ओके,
journey started in stock market. So from 91 to 94, I was actually pursuing
ओके,
trading, and I
इंटरेस्टिंग।
have seen.
आप
Yeah, yeah. हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए प्लीज.
बस सर, तो प्लीज आपकी इनिशियल जर्नी के बारे में बताइए। दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द न्यू ट्रेडर्स दैट आर एंटरिंग द मार्केट। इट विल बी गुड टू नो।
Exactly. So as I said, my initial journey was during the Arshad Mehta scam. So one good part was since I was not having big capital, तो मैंने पैसा खोया नहीं, but मैंने ये अच्छी तरीके से मैंने सीख लिया मार्केट में कि there are umpteen number of ways where you can lose money, because losing money in markets is very easy, whereas making money is really tough. So what I have learned is risk management, position sizing, जिसके बारे में ज्यादा लोगों को तब 91 से 94 पीरियड में पता नहीं था. तो ये मैंने एकदम I have seen it as a harsh reality. So I knew that this is probably the most important thing, combined with trading psychology, which always helps a trader if he wants to be successful in his journey. So that 4 years
राइट
of formative study was very good for me in terms of. Next question.
Sir, I want to ask you, are you currently trading in equity or the derivative market, the futures and options?
Good question, Priyanka. I trade both the markets because it's ultimately your risk reward which matters a lot. Because whenever I approach a trade, whether it is a trade in the futures or options or equity segment, I always look for risk reward. So wherever I find the risk reward which is in favor to me, I obviously like to take the opportunity, because we don't know
Okay,
which trade will work in our favor. This trading is full of
absolutely
probability.
right. Absolutely right, sir.
Yeah.
So, what is the trading rule and the mantra that you follow, sir, as a trader?
Priyanka, the first thing whenever I get in the morning is obviously I thank God for all that He has given me, and I always wish that every day there should be a progressive kind of an improvement in your trading, because I feel nobody is a master in terms of traders. Okay, the market is a universal guru, and we all make mistakes, and the idea should be you correct your mistakes on a daily basis and try to make a small improvement. जो गलती
Right.
आपने पहले दिन नहीं किया है, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि अगले दिन ये गलती ना करूँ. So I always work more on my mistakes, because if you are a constant learner, you will be always there surviving long term in this field, because this field is full of what you call mines and landmines. यहाँ पे आदमी की उड़ने की जो प्रोसेस है बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. So if you have to be
Right.
have a firm footing, you should be a constant learner and not repeat the mistakes which you have been doing. That's my
Oh,
approach.
that's really
Yeah.
good to know, actually. Tell me, why is technical analysis important, sir, in the kind of trade setup that we are having these days? Or,
Oh,
I'm sorry, we'll
good
edit that.
question. Yeah, no problem. Can I continue with my answer
Yes, sir.
for your
Please
question?
continue.
Yeah, good question, Priyanka. See, technical analysis जो है Priyanka, ये एक माध्यम है. माध्यम means it's a means, it's a ways and means of making your entry and exits in market. There are a lot of systems which people follow. So when we talk of technical analysis, what we understand is we go and see some historic price points, we see some historic data. So we understand कि पहले जो हुआ है, probably that event can happen if we get that kind of an opportunity. So since there is a kind of a probability involved and we don't know what could be the actual end result of the trade, that's why risk management is very important. In case the trade doesn't take the way you wanted, at least you have a safe exit and you don't lose big on your trades. So technical analysis gives you a direction. ये आपको एक filtration process देता है कि out of the entire ecosystem. Now let us check NSE. We have got 6,000 scripts or probably more than that. तो किसी 5 या 10 trade setups में हमको अगर हमारा ध्यान को केंद्रित करना है to bring our concentration. So technical analysis is one of the tools which helps you in those filtration process and to work on the best kind of the trade setups. That is the way I look at it.
Yes, sir. Tell me which strategy is like best suited for any kind of like an intraday trader or a positional trader?
Good question. See, again, when you talk of strategies, there are ample number of strategies, people who have been following across the globe. And if you ask me, for a novice trader or a professional trader, my advice will be the best strategy is you require two things to, always enter a trade. पहले चीज है आपको डायरेक्शन का एक आइडिया होना चाहिए. डायरेक्शन का मतलब है कि whether the script is going to go up or come down. So this is the first. So you need to understand the trend. And along with the trend, if you understand the force and momentum, जब हम फोर्स एंड मोमेंटम की बात करते हैं तो वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि ये कितने मतलब क्या परसेंटेज की रैली करेगा. Probably whether it is going to give you a 2%, 5% kind of a trade, or it is going to give you a slightly larger moment of 10-15%. उसके हिसाब से आपकी जो strategies है उसको हम fine tune करके whether it is going to be intraday strategy or a swing or a positional trade, उसकी हम decision लेते हैं and उसके हिसाब से you have to do. So I think for any trader, trend and force and momentum, these two should be their basic guru mantras. And strategies can be anything. You can have moving averages, you can have MACDs, Bollinger Bands, you name you have. आज के तारीख में सॉफ्टवेयर अगर आप ओपन करेंगे, इवन आपके भी सॉफ्टवेयर में there are hundreds of strategies.
Yes.
But whether everything will work at all points of time, that's a very difficult question. It comes only with experience.
Yes, absolutely. Tell me which tools do you use on a very regular basis?
See, I always like to keep my screens very clean. मैं ज़्यादा indicators पे भरोसा नहीं करता हूँ because I feel more the indicators, more the analysis, and more the analysis, you have a paralysis. मतलब आप trade कम करोगे, आप जिंदगी भर analysis करते रहोगे.
Okay.
So if you ask me honestly, I believe in very few indicators or signals which help me a lot. And ज़्यादा करके मैं moving averages पे बहुत विश्वास रखता हूँ because I feel moving averages is one of the best indicators. Again, when I say best, it has given me good results. It has been giving results to people who have learned from me. So moving averages helps me a lot. Along with that, I keep some momentum and force indicators. जैसे हम MACD की बात करते हैं, just to understand कि strength में शक्ति है. अब शक्ति का मतलब क्या है कि आप if you travel outside, when you go to the station, you need to know कि engine connect हुआ है, नहीं तो गाड़ी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी. तो आपको एक force and momentum की जरूरत होती है to understand that the trend is going to continue for a few hours or few days or few months. So I just keep my indicators very simple with a moving average and a MACD indicator. इतना ही मैं देखता हूँ, ज़्यादा मैं follow नहीं करता हूँ. And आगे my I would say कि I have been blessed by Almighty कि I have a very good understanding of price action because I feel as a trader price action की understanding जितनी आपकी अच्छी होती है, which we call as a tape reading or the screen reading, I think that is one of the best indicators to help a trader. So you need to understand the price movement to grab the best opportunity in the market.
Okay. That's actually very simple and so nicely put, you just made it actually very, very simple. Also tell me what will be your
Absolutely.
message for the novices who are entering the market or who have just entered the market?
See, मेरे लिए एक एडवाइस नोवाइसेस के लिए रहेगा कि प्लीज बिफोर यू एक्चुअली टेक द प्लंज थोड़ा सा रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड साइकोलॉजी पे काम कीजिए बिकॉज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड साइकोलॉजी जब तक आपका स्ट्रांग नहीं रहेगा you will not be able to survive the market because understand one thing, we are all fighting against people who have spent considerable amount of time in these markets. We are dealing with professions, we are dealing with institutions जिनको हमसे जानकारी अच्छी है, जिनकी रिसर्च अच्छी है, जिनकी पूरी जिंदगी यहाँ पे निकली है. सो इफ वी हैव टू, इफ नॉट वी आर नॉट एबल टू बीट देम, अगर उनके लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड में आना है या हमको अगर सर्वाइव करना है, तो वी हैव टू वर्क मोर ऑन कैपिटल प्रिजर्वेशन, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी. सो आई फील लर्न ट्रेडिंग, पहले समझिए आपको करना क्या है. मोर देन लर्निंग यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको करना क्या है, बिकॉज when we are talking of trading, there are various aspects of trading. You can be trading the equity markets, you can be trading futures, you can be trading options. Everything has got a own way of understanding risk and position sizing. So unless until you are clear कि आपको करना क्या है, everything जैसे बोलते हैं काला अक्षर भैंस बराबर, वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So first and foremost decide कि आपकी trading skills क्या है, which suits you well, and then if you take a plunge, you can probably survive this, because trading looks very easy, but ये इतना easy नहीं है जितना दिखता है. And I think Friday would have been the classic example when it has shown कि market सबका गुरु है, market सबका बाप है.
Right, sir. Absolutely
Yeah.
right, sir. So it's been a pleasure talking to you. You've given most of your tips in such a short span of time and made it sound like trading is the simplest, and it is only if you do it with a lot of experience and the risk management as you put forward. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And comment
Thanks, Priyanka.
section में
And
आप अपनी queries. Sorry, sir.
I said I hope that this session really helps people, and if it can add value to people, I would be really
Yes.
grateful that I have made some impact to people. Yeah.
Yes, sir, you have done so. We'll be more than happy to talk to you in our next trade talk as well. And that's it for now, guys. Comment section में आप अपनी queries डाल सकते हैं. हमारे next trade talk में आपकी ये सभी queries का जवाब दे देंगे हम. तब तक के लिए thank you and happy trading.